This is question 3 of the 2022 grade 10 maths paper. So let's just take a look at it. Now this thing looks real hard here, but to some people, but it's actually just factoring. You're just supposed to factor. If you factored all these three things, it would help you with this thing right here. You're going to factor and you're going to cancel. Let's look at this. X squared minus 4. Well, that's x minus 2, x plus 2, a difference of squares. You do FOIL on that, you get that. This one here, x squared minus 3x minus 10. Well, that's x minus 5 times x plus 2. Minus 5 times plus 2 gives you the minus 10. Minus 5x plus 2x gives you that minus 3x. Now, all they've done here is factor a 2 out. And they've got 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. Gee, there's 3 marks just for doing that factoring, 3 of the 5 marks. And this dividing, when you divide a fraction, you turn it upside down, you see, and times. So there's how you could secure 3 of the marks. But now you're thinking, how am I going to factor this? And you may know a cubed minus b cubed. Well, it's a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. That's what it is. Even if you didn't know that formula, you go, hey, this thing right here, if I put x minus 2 and then I write this thing down, if you multiply it all out, it gives you x cubed minus 8. If you have a little bit of time in the exam, you could figure that out. You should know the basic difference of cubes, though. But now look, that cancels with that. The x plus 2's cancel. The x minus 2's cancel. The only thing that survives is the 2 over x minus 5. When I say cancels, anything divided by itself equals 1. Okay, let's look at this one here. 2 to the x plus 1 plus 4 to the x times 4 to the x plus 2 times 8 to the x minus 1. Well, you get a mark if you can just take 4 and say, hey, that's 2 squared. And take that little 2 and multiply it by x and 2. So it's 2 to the 2x plus 4. If you knew 8 was 2 cubed, 2 to the 3rd power, and you multiplied both of those by 3 because they're 2 cubed is being put to the x minus 1 power. Well, there it is, all powers of 2. And now because we have everything with the same base, we just add the stuff on top because we're multiplying and subtract the stuff on the bottom. And when we do that, you're going to end up with 3x minus 3x, x plus 2x. The x's go 5. Plus 3 is 8, 2 to the 8th. And your calculator might tell you that's 256. 2 to the 8th is the answer, though. And maybe, I think we'll just leave it there. For now, we'll do question 4 in another video. That makes sense.